What is going on, YouTube? Bernie Connor here, trying to bring you guys back another video real quick. So today's video is going to be kind of a sad one and really short. Basically, my landlord forced me to get my Mustang out of here. Basically, what happened was, over the last couple weeks, they tell me, oh, it doesn't run, you have to get out of here. And I tell them, hey, I have it running, it's fine. Well, they told me it wasn't fine. They still tried to tell me it wasn't running, even though it is. And they told me it has to get out of here. So that's what I did. I moved it out of here. I started it up, and I drove about half an hour away to a family member's house. So basically, no more Mustang videos for the time being. However, I'm working very hard to try and get them to you. At the very latest, I will be having more Mustang content coming to you guys about June 2nd, which is when the exhaust is getting put on the back of it. Hopefully before then I can have the bumper on it and the LED third brake light and the Cobra bumper on it. After that, I plan on putting the 8.8 rear end on it that I have and a whole bunch of other stuff. So hopefully you guys will be patient and stick around with me. I do have GTI videos coming up, hopefully, with my 24 valve VR6 GTI. It's a 2004. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that my landlords forced me to move the Mustang away from my property, and for the time being I can't work on it because of where it's at, and it's just a really crappy situation. They gave me 24 hours to move it, so I was doing work on it, getting everything set up straight, waiting on Coyote parts to come in and trying to get everything done. So at least for right now, the Coyote swap is on pause. The Mustang is on pause, at least until July, until I can figure something out. I am currently in the process of moving, so we're going to Virginia Beach in that area. So after that, hopefully content will be a lot better because car culture in that area is significantly better. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me for this. And this is also why I haven't uploaded in about a week. I try to upload every single day, but with working night shift and all these issues, my landlord's not working with me. It's been really hard to get videos out. I actually just bought a GoPro Hero 8, so that's what you're seeing this video come off of. And yeah, hopefully with this GoPro I can bring you guys really cool videos, and hopefully I can get the Mustang back and start making more content for you guys, because I know the majority of my subscribers are here for the Coyote swap. So I have a hydro boost system coming in. I have quad shocks for the 8.8. I'm rebuilding the 8.8. You guys are going to see all of this in upcoming videos. So hopefully you guys like it and stick around and join my channel. So thanks for being patient and sticking around.